Hello everyone, and I hope all of you are doing great. Welcome to our second lesson of science for today. Today we are going to talk about the lesson of rivers and streams. My lovely students, can all of you bring out your science book and open page 214? We are going to talk about the wetland habitats. But before we go to uh, discuss this lesson, let's go and make a very quick revision. A habitat. What is a habitat? A habitat is a special place where plants or animal lives. Do you remember the song of Habitat, where animals and plants live? Now let's see, what do these animals or plants need in the habitat? They need food, water, shelter, air, and a place to raise its young, small babies. Now, let's see. Food. Can any animal or plant live without food? Water. Look at this cutie ant. She or it drinks a little bit of water. Now, a shelter. What is the shelter? A place where the animal lives. Look at this cutie owl. It's living in a cactus plant. Excellent. Now, they need air. Can any animal live or lives without air? Absolutely not. All of the animals need air to live and a place to raise its young or small babies. So, now our lesson is talking about the habitats of the wetlands. Look at this very big habitat, which is called forest. Forest. So, or a small, like a pond. What is the meaning of a pond, teacher? Pond, a small area of water where we can find also a lot of plants and animals. Our lesson for today is talking about rivers and streams. Rivers and streams. Now, look at the picture here on the left. It's called what? River. River. Can you repeat it after me? You can pause or stop the video and repeat every word. I can say it. River. River. So what is the meaning of river, teacher? It is a very large body or area of water. And on the other side also the stream. The stream also is a kind of flowing water. But look here, which one is bigger than the other? Is it the river or the stream? Who can answer that question? Excellent. Such a great job. Yes, teacher. The river is bigger than the stream. So now let's see what are other difference between the rivers and the streams. The river, a large flowing body of water. Also, the river is flowing, just like the stream, but in a smaller or a slower motion. What about the stream? The stream is a smaller flowing body of water. Now, what about the river? The second difference. The river is very large and deep, in which you can swim in it. What about the stream? The stream can be crossed by our foot because it's a very small body of water. Now, what about the river again? Is formed of several streams. Teacher, it's difficult a little bit. What here on the river you can see a very large body of water. Do you know this river is made out of many small streams? Yeah, it's a true thing because the river sometimes is made of very small streams which are gathered to make a bigger river. So, now, did you know what is the difference between the river and the stream? So now, let's go to the book again. Open the book on page 214. Write the date March 24, 2020. Good job and excellent. Now let's start. Most rivers and streams are fresh water. Teacher, can we drink out of this water? Yes, honey, because it is fresh. Now let's um, grab our pencil and circle these two sentences, which is saying some rivers and streams are wide and flow for long distance. So the rivers and the streams, as you saw it here, they are very large and they are flowing for a long space. So they are flowing water. What is the meaning of flowing? Moving water where they can move or flow for a long area or distance. Water in rivers and streams can flow quickly or slowly. Yeah, sometimes the flow or the speed of that water, maybe it could be slow, or maybe it could be fast or quick. Rivers and streams have a lot of diversity. Diversity. So I want all of you to remember this word, which is diversity. Diversity. I want you to put it in your mind and say it after me again and again. You can stop the video and repeat it. Diversity. Diversity. What is the meaning of diversity, teacher? The different kinds that can live in that river or the stream. Every habitat has a very big diversity of animals. So it's including water, plants, and fish. It's including water, plants, and fish. So let's revise again. Most rivers and streams are fresh water. Some rivers and streams, some rivers and streams are wide, they are very large and big, and flow for long distance and flow for a long distance. Now, rivers and streams have a lot of diversity, have a lot of diversity. So, including water, plants, and fish. So, we can see many animals which can live here inside the rivers and the stream. We can find some frogs, some different different kinds of animals. So you can look at the animals like ducks, turtles. The lake is too similar of the river and the streams. You can find ducks, you can find swans, you can find turtles, you can find different kinds of animals. So here was the different kinds of animals that we can find it in the rivers and the streams. Now, let's see this question. Would you like to protect a water habitat or a land habitat? I want all of you to think about this question. Can you try to save this habitat, water or river or stream? Can you protect it? Explain to me. How can you protect it? I know you are smart and all of you are excellent students and all of you will say, yes, teacher, we are going to protect this kind of habitat. But how? Who can tell me how can we protect this kind of habitat? Yeah, I can see someone who is talking there. Yeah, excellent. Such a good job. By keep it clean. So can we throw the garbage or the dirty things inside the river or the stream when we are going to make a picnic there or a trip? No. So our biggest duty or homework toward the rivers and the streams is to keep it safe, keep it clean, keep it away of the garbage or the dirty things. So we have a great job towards our nature, towards our environment that we are living in, to keep it clean and healthy. So your homework for today is to go and revise the meaning of river and stream and keep it in your mind, and look for the difference between the river here and the stream. So thanks a lot for your watching this video, and I'm happy to join you all of the time. Please, the items that we talk it in, listen and try to revise it from a while to the other. Thanks a lot and see you later, inshallah. Goodbye.